Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here, and today we're having a look at the Brawler Bar. So, what this is meant to be a soap that is full of natural ingredients that helps kill bacteria dead fast. The reason it's called Brawler Bar is they advertise it as MMA soap, so mixed martial arts, for you to be able to use straight away afterwards to keep you cleaner, to keep you more fighting fit. So, I got this off of a Facebook post where I saw it, try it free, just pay for postage sort of thing. So, it came yesterday in a nice little package. It's got its little thing there. It was sent to the business, so that's why it has Holistic Healing Choices on there. And yeah, and it also just has a return address on there as well. So, I don't know much about these guys, other than that a portion of it goes to help underdeveloped countries as well, providing them with clean water and stuff like that. Now, one of my main things here is that I would rather it be used, I guess, for Australia as well, in that way, because there's plenty of disadvantaged people right here at home anyway. But anyway guys, let's have a look now a little bit about what's on their website. Okay, so when you first get on the website, you're greeted with get 20% off all our products right now. So they're really active in their marketing, which is probably how I found it on Facebook anyway. Join our Fight for Change and use the promo code 20NOW, 20% off. Cool. So it is Australian made as well. So they want you to sign up straight away? Okay, let's have a look at what they're fighting for here. No, maybe not. Okay. Mission statement of Brawler Bar: to deliver the ultimate sports whilst providing aid to disadvantaged people worldwide. For our soap bars, based on a 100% model. After their expenses, 100% of their profit goes towards hygiene projects and helping disadvantaged youth worldwide, which is pretty awesome. Not only do we provide funds, but a portion of our bars to be donated. Our bars are fantastic for everyday combat athlete, but also assist in places where hygiene-related deaths are an everyday occurrence. Well, which is such a sad thing that is, still a thing in the world. So, being an MMA soap, so when you're down, grappling and punching on with people, you do become very, very sweaty. I know sometimes before I go to training with karate or Muay Thai, whichever, I'm one of those people where I've only even got to think about starting to work out and I get sweaty. So I'm really hoping this does a bit for me. Okay, they got what's in it. No, they've got a lot more about what is. And a few people that have used it. Okay, so the main ingredients: tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and coconut oil. Is it a treatment for skin infections? So they're not going to make any claims for it. So tea tree oil, which is shown to be an antimicrobial. So they're not going to make any wild claims about it, which is a smart move. Okay, so they're allowing it to people to wholesale it and sell it. Okay, and then we've got an about. So, on the left here, got the 10 times world champion on the right. So, Mitch Hunter seems like he's an athlete himself, and wanted to help make a perfect soap that would help people get rid of germs that cause skin infections. And so that same soap can be used in third world countries to help combat thousands of hygiene-related deaths each year. So, quite a noble thing. Completely palm oil free. Once again, another good point. Contains natural essential oils that are known combatives to skin conditions like staph and ringworm. So, once again, tea tree oil, the main ingredients. Traditional healing benefits. Helps with staph, ringworm, athlete's foot. Good. Jock itch. Yep. Peppermint oil. Has a natural cooling effect, yes. Known to assist in muscle aches and pains. Okay, so that might help with recovery a bit. And also another fantastic antimicrobial. Yeah. Also, natural coconut husk rounds. Out the Wonderful Trio as a fantastic exfoliant to give you that feeling that you are truly cleaning your body. And different subscription things and a t-shirt that they've got for fighting for change. So, let's open this bad boy up and see what's in it. Okay, so as we go to open this bad boy up, just going to hide the address there. We have a nice little Brawler Bar branding on the box itself. Plus, you know, postage. Flipping over, we have their address, where they're from. Now, once we get into opening this bad boy up, I got some nice tapage going on. Gee, some really nice tapage going on. So you know, your package is nice and secure. Jesus. Secure indeed. Okay, well, the box is going to have to be destroyed. Nope, there we go. Okay, so, opening up. Oh, nice. Dear Robert, thank you for trying Brawler Bar. Profits from these bars fight for change in developing countries. Mitch Hunter, head brawler. Nice little message there on a, I don't know, not quite squarely cut out thing, but it just gives it that personal touch. That's really cool. I wasn't actually expecting that in there. So, the soap itself is actually bigger than I expected. So it's about a hand width. The Ultimate Sport Soap. All natural, antibacterial, 100% Australian made. And as we go, directions for use. Massage soap onto damp skin within 30 minutes of training. Okay, wow, that's going to be a bit harder. So maybe this one would be perfect for your gym bag and stuff. To cleanse and exfoliate, rinse thoroughly. More information, contact those guys, yep. Now, let's have a look at the ingredients there. So we have, if it'll focus in, so there's a bit of sunflower seed oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree oil, as I knew about, peppermint oil, vitamin E in there, and yeah, coconut shell powder to help exfoliate. Okay. So as we go to open this little suckeroony up, give it a, oh wow, it actually smells really, really nice. Really nice. So it feels oily, which I guess it would, given that there's tea tree and peppermint oil in there. And you get a nice little Spartan helmet on the front there. It smells really, really nice actually. So I cannot wait to test this out throughout the week. But that is everything that came in the little tester bit of the Brawler Bar box. I really love this personal touch with the note, the handwritten note there. That is amazing. Well done guys for that one. Before I've even tested the product, it's given me a bit of a boost into what these guys are about. But anyway, let's give it a test. So now I've had a look at the actual package, now it's time to get in and use it. Now, one of the main concerns that I have about it is that it's not specifically needed for MMA or fighting in general or anything like that. I suppose using the popularity of that sport, that event, and all those sort of things is just a way to get the marketing out there better. But really, I mean, it could have applied to any sport where you get sweaty. It could have applied to running more so with the athlete's foot sort of thing. in sweaty shoes, joggers or whatever. But, I mean, it's a minor concern. A lot of internet comments too, as to, yeah, you know, your keyboard warriors getting on there asking why it was an MMA soap sort of thing. But I'm willing to give it a go. Not that you'll get to see much of that, as one, it involved me taking a shower, and two, the current shower I've got that's its diameter in diagonal, so there's no goddamn way I'm going to be able to get a camera in there as well. But we'll see if. So I do have a little bit of stuff on my feet, whether that clears up, whether it makes it easier to shave afterwards, as it clears up a few things, whether I smell better at the end of the day. So we'll have a look at those sort of things. But anyway guys, probably going to give it a go until the bar runs out itself. And even my fiance, let her have a go at it as well, as she does tend to get quite sweaty after exercise as well. So it'll be a good test for us, whether we smell better waking up in the morning or after training or whatever as well. So yeah, I'm keen to give it a go. These guys obviously want to do something good in the world, so I fully back that and support that. There I go, I'll be back with an update. Okay, now in summary, after using the bar, it works. Pay no attention to dry skin, that's more to do with the weather than anything else. But I found I smell better. I can feel the coconut husk as I'm going through. Not all the time, sometimes. But I feel I smell better. I don't wake up with bad odour as much, even after exercise itself. So maybe that tea tree oil helps a little bit more even after you wash it off. Maybe that's just me, I don't know. My skin feels nice. And, you know, it does seem to work pretty well. Now, would I go spend $7 repeatedly after every bar or join the subscription service? At this stage, probably not. You know, I'd probably have one bar ready to go, take away with me or something like that. But I don't think it's that much of a benefit to overtake normal soap. But, I mean, these are just my thoughts. Maybe I don't sweat enough. I highly doubt that that's the case, because I sweat like crazy. But, yeah, it does work. It does what it says. It stops a lot of bacterial sort of things coming up and ruining your day. And, yeah, so being a massage therapist, being winter, I've got a heater blasting. So I normally have a light sweat, and sometimes I catch a bit of a whiff of myself while I'm there. I haven't noticed that so far after using the Brawler bar. If odour and stuff like that is an issue for you, yeah, give it a go. I'm sure you can find it on Facebook, the only pay postage trial sort of thing. Give it a go for yourself. I highly recommend it. I think it works. I like the mission that these guys have got. I mean, I would rather see them helping Australia first, because, well, I know other people have it worse than us. We're nowhere where we should be, being a fully developed country. So I'd like to say that a bit first, but for all intents and purposes, the product does what it says and sets out to do. So Brawler bar gets a full thumbs up from me. But anyway guys, that's just my opinion. Have you tried it? Would you try it? Do you think this is just another entrepreneurial bit of wank? But I'm keen to see what you think about the Brawler bar. Do you think these ingredients are what they say? Anyway guys, that's it from me. I would recommend giving the Brawler bar a go. But as always, I'm Robert Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.